Hello, today we're going to be making flaxseed gel. It's a very simple process. First thing we're going to do is add water to the seeds and begin to boil it. Allow your mixture to thicken and bubble. As it has that white film around the edge and it has increased in thickness and it's become sticky, you will know it's ready. Sift it as it is still boiling so that it will go through the holes smoothly. The flaxseed gel, as it cools down, will increasingly become thicker. The right side of the hair has the gel applied, as the left side does not. You can see a clear difference in texture, curl definition, as well as moisture. The gel is very hydrating, yet it still has a very firm hold without it becoming too crunchy. Unlike regular styling gels, it does not leave your hair dry and crunchy. It has many added benefits, not just like keeping the hair looking good and curl definition, but also vitamins to keep your hair healthy and strong. Here you can see me applying castor oil to the ends to add a lustrous shine.